So, Tarang, over the past 4.5 years, we have worked with 30 clients. Many of them have churned. The number one problem that they have is, oh, you have given me leads. I've not closed them. Right.
Yeah.
So, as a marketing agency, don't think, okay, you could be a marketing agency, freelancer, whatever. Don't think that your job actually stops in giving them leads, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Because
The goal is always revenue.
if they don't close, they don't make revenue, they're going to churn regardless. So couple of things I feel are very, very important even after giving them leads is inbox management, right? So you have so many emails and so many channels, that your client goes mad, like, to track these things. So if you should always create a system, say using Zapier, or you could use Excel sheet integrations to consolidate the replies in one place, right? That's very important. The second one is response categorization. You need to bucket the responses in various buckets, right? Some of them might say, I'm out of office, reach out to me after 10 days. Some of them might say, send me certain information. Some of them might say, I'm not interested, right? So it's very important to categorize this into different buckets. Once you categorize it, Tarang, what do you do? Tell me.
So
the next best step.
Yeah, so basically, it's the reason why we are categorizing is also because so that we can run multiple subsequences on them, right?
Yes, correct.
Like, for example, someone who says he's out of office and reach out to me, like, say, a week later.
Yeah.
I would basically set up a subsequent, say, whoever is out of office, reach them out to, maybe 7 days later, and say someone is sending, giving me a lot of information requests. So this kind of tells me that, there's not much enough information on my email. That's why everyone is coming back for more information.
Correct.
Right? So this gives me a lot more insight to how I can better my copy.
Correct.
Yeah.
And it also helps you scale it. So imagine there are 100,000 people you are reaching out to, right? Now, say 100, like every day you're getting like 50 out of office. Now, there's no way you can track when they're back, right?
Yeah.
Instead, you can run a sequence and say 50 people are requesting information. You can't send them, right, at scale. So subsequence actually helps you a lot in terms of, say, re-engagement with the leads, right? So we'll show you, we'll deep dive into it and show them how,
what are the different categories that we use and all of that, right? Yeah.